Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful 4th of July dip powder nail design using Cherael nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. The products I'll be using today are from the Cherael Nail United We Stand collection. I'm using Independence, Justice, and Betsy. So as some of you guys may know, I did another design with the United We Stand dip powder kit, and I also did a review. It was also done on my natural nails, so if you're into natural nail designs as well, I'll link it in the cards and you all could check out that video afterwards. Okay, so starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the red dip powder, which is known as Betsy. I only showed myself dipping 1 layer, but I did 3 layers. This color reached full opacity on the first layer. So I apply some of the blue dip powder, which is known as Justice, to a container. And on the ring finger, I apply base to the whole nail. So we are doing a color block with the blue dip powder and the glitter, which is known as Independence. So I just ensure to get a straight line with the blue dip powder. And then I dip my finger into the glitter dip powder. This glitter is really chunky, so doing color block and expecting a really crisp line is really a hell no. Don't get me wrong, it's not impossible, but it's kind of difficult. On the second layer, I only applied it to the blue area because the glitter didn't need a second layer. It reached full opacity on the first layer. The blue didn't need a second layer either, but I just wanted to build the blue up a little more. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. On the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I angled my finger into the red dip powder, and then the glitter dip powder. I really was not expecting the glitter to give me such a straight line in the color block. I thought I would have had to manipulate the glitter a bit, but it really worked out. And then I sprinkled the blue dip powder on my nails. Doing color block with chunky glitter is really a hit or miss, and most times it's usually a miss. That's why you really shouldn't do color block with chunky glitter, and that's why I usually do it with fine glitter. But I wanted to be a little adventurous today. Besides that, this glitter is really beautiful. It's more of a semi-chunky glitter. I misspoke before when I said it was really chunky, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. Then I did another layer. When using the base brush on the middle finger for the second layer, I would not advise that you go from cuticle to tip. Since the glitter is so loose, it might end up sticking all over the nail. So I usually apply base on the red area first, then the blue area, and then I just pat the base on the glitter. So I do it in sections so that the glitter doesn't move all over the nail. On the index finger, I'm doing the whole nail using the blue dip powder. It reached full opacity on the first layer, but I did 3 layers. So on the thumb, I decided to do an experiment using the white glitter dip powder. I wanted to use it just to see how it would look on me, and it's really not my favorite glitter. I tried a color block design because, you know, why not? So don't cancel me in the dip world for this. I know it doesn't look that great, but it's an experiment, you know. We are trying new things here. Application wasn't that bad. It went on really nice, but you know, it's just that I don't like it. But it's not a bad glitter. So I'll just let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. So as you can see, I had to manipulate the glitter a bit because I wasn't getting a straight line. The white glitter is something you have to grow to like, in my opinion. It's not bad, but it's not something I would like. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. I also applied activator between layers so that no bubbles would form in the nail. And also, when you're using activator in between layers, ensure to let the activator dry before applying another layer of base, because the activator would harden the base brush and you wouldn't be able to use it again. So please ensure that the activator dries before applying another layer of base. Then I applied activator again, waited a while and then began filing. Now this is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying Model 1's gel top coat to all of the nails, and I cured for 60 seconds. And when the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Happy 4th of July guys! Bye!